anyways. Have a good day. Here we are. Let's enter. I traveled 86 trillion miles from my Western civilization to get to the depths of Amazonia. There were no road maps or signs guiding my way. I faced many obstacles navigating through the Amazon, and now understand why many call it a green hell. What's this? Hope this isn't poisonous. No, really, I do. Oh, come on. Come on! Don't have time for this. It's gonna rain any moment now! Why? Look at this! What have we here? It looks like an ancient tapestry of the Kukumajobu peoples. Another tribe I hope to visit while we're here in the Amazon. Okay, almost out. Almost. Ow! Thorn. Yes! Come on! Come on! Fine! No, I can take it. We finally made it to the Amazon River. We've entered the brush and now we're right getting close to the water. Let's go on in. Oh my, it's as vast and amazing as they always said it was. I'm so glad we've come all this way for this. Oh, what's this? A sign of some civilization, very proximus. That reads close. I don't quite know how we're going to get across yet. There should be some sort of ferry or boat or something that comes by, but I haven't seen one as of yet. These branches look like a landing strip of that same tribe. Yes, I've heard there are eels in here. If I could only reach that rock. I don't quite know how I'm going to make it. The worst part is this is only a taste of all the perilous dangers and journeys ahead. Not my tie, don't get my tie wet. Amazonia. I've already lost my shoes, but that's alright. I forgot this here map, and we seem like we're getting pretty close to the Iwo Jimmy peoples. I have this compass which has been guiding the way for quite some time now. Never leave home without one. And I found this stick here just for some extra protection from anything that I may encounter. My! This is beautiful, isn't it? What's that? I think I see them around the corner. tomorrow, peoples?
Yes.
Great. I've come from a very far away place to be here with you today.
That's good.
Would you like to see some of the offerings I've brought to you?
Yes.
Sorry about the hat. I tried to get as close to indigenous wear as possible, but I was in a hurry, so... Anyway. Well, first off, I have this tie. Rich men wear ties. Would you like it?
Yes.
I brought you some other things. Ching! This claw of protection. It's very strong and sharp. You can use it to cut things to eat. Finally, I've brought you this pterodactyl. It's an ancient creature that used to live in our parts. It's a dinosaur. My, how nice of you.
In good health.
Me? I haven't quite gotten all my vaccinations yet. Didn't quite have time, but I'm sure I'll be fine, right?
Good.
Yes. Oh, it's awful hot here. How do you manage this heat? It's sweltering. Oh, what is this? I'm not quite sure. What is this celebration?
Cyanide way.
Cyanide way. Cyanide away. Cyanide away.
Bania la du la Maria adu da da du da da
So what do you guys do around here?
There be lots of trees, lots of wood in woods. We take small pieces of tree. We're not selfish. Small pieces and we use them. But white man, come. He take whole tree and he do nothing.